Well, my name is Daniel Ocansey. I graduated from the Maths department in 2011 from Unity Hall. Actually, I was there for almost my 4 years of stay. I guess they said I should answer some few questions here. The first one is, what is one scientific principle or lessons from KNUST that helped shape how you think today? I would say my topology class. It was an interesting class where I have to do some babadie and try to find ways to solve those complicated couchy solutions and the rest. And then the next question is, what if your time at KNUST were a chemical reaction, what type would it be? Explosive, steady, or catalytic? I would say explosive because Kuti boy dear Charlie. How you for talk am? If for go. What key habit helps you transition from a science student to a successful professional in your field? I would say that attribute could be like resilience, not getting scared about making mistakes. Actually, the next one will be, what is one piece of advice you wish every science student would take seriously before graduating? I would say they should venture into some IT fields, maybe get themselves into get more information about what is happening in the world, and then diversify themselves into those fields. The next one would be, how did your KNUST experience prepare you for the challenges in your industry today? I would say, there are kind of assignments we have been given, and you have to always be on time for your assignments and all those things. It made me to become more punctual in whatever I do, meaning that you always don't want to get an F in everything you do, and that has always been with me. Be honest, what's your funniest and almost unforgettable lab or field work memories from KNUST? I would say one time I was working with one of my colleagues who is she's called Angela Darko actually, and one of our professors said that, hey, you working with Angela Darko will make you get an F in this class. What is the one mindset every young scientist need to succeed in today's world? For me, I would say they should always have the mindset of venturing into this AI environment we are in. It is booming, and they will need to know more about it and then get themselves involved. How can today's KNUST science graduates contribute meaningfully to Ghana and to the global scientific community? I would say we have, actually in Ghana, we have a lot of real life problems that are going on. Example, like the Galamsey issue that is happening right now. There are a lot of AI initiatives that people can go into to make this better for the environment and also for our communities. If you had to describe KNUST College of Science in one word, what would it be? It's a very good question. I think one of the things that I found very interesting here is how to learn how to code in my life when I came here was one of the difficult stuff. I find it rewarding when I started learning how to code and write my own Python code or write my own MATLAB codes. That experience took me to a higher level whereby I'm now able to code in major languages that I am now enjoying that fruit right now. That's what I'll say.